In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram follow us to Strikingly website 2025. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Instagram icon on your site that sends visitors straight to your profile, helping you grow your audience with minimal effort. Start by logging into your Strikingly dashboard and opening the site you want to edit. Click Edit to enter the site editor. This takes you into the place where you can add, rearrange, and customize sections of your website. Now, let's add the space where your social icons will live. In the left sidebar of the editor, click Add section. From the list of options, choose Social Media. This section is designed specifically to showcase icons for platforms like Instagram, making it the easiest and most reliable way to add a Follow Us button. You'll be prompted to select a layout. Pick the layout that best matches your site's style and the visibility you want for your icons. Don't stress too much here. You can switch layouts later without losing your settings. With the section added, it's time to connect your Instagram. In the social media section, click the Instagram icon. A field will appear where you can paste your profile link. Use the full URL to your profile, for example, https instagram.com, your username. Make sure it links to your profile page, not a single post or hashtag. If you're unsure of your link, open Instagram in a browser and copy the address from your profile page. Double check for typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Even small mistakes can break the link. After pasting the URL, click Save. The editor will update, and you should now see that the Instagram icon is active and clickable. To confirm it's working, use the site's preview and click the icon. It should open your Instagram profile in a new tab. If you ever want to change your username or switch to a different account, simply click the icon again, update the URL, and save. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Choose a layout that places the icon where your visitors naturally look, such as your header, footer, or a dedicated social block. Keep your brand